Good morning, I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News, and this commodities report is brought to you by MidnightTrader.com for Wednesday, June 9th. Oil is up early morning Wednesday, while U.S. crude inventories fell. The American Petroleum Institute reported Tuesday that stockpiles fell 4.5 million barrels, or 1.33% in the latest week, marking the single biggest drop in 6 months. Eyes will be on the release of the Department of Energy's own weekly inventories data due out at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time to see whether signs of U.S. demand is solid. Gold, meanwhile, is lower on profit taking, but many analysts believe that longer-term prospects for the yellow metal point upward. Given the lingering downside risks in the global economy and concerns about Europe's sovereign debt crisis in particular, gold is expected to retain its sheen as a safe haven. As of early morning hours, Brent crude is up by 0.7% at $72.51 currently per barrel, while light sweet crude is up by 1.2% at $72.85 a barrel, and natural gas is 1.5% weaker at $4.74 a million British thermal units. Gold is 0.7% weaker, $1,236.40 per ounce, while silver is down by $18.29 an ounce, and copper is up by 2.33% at $2.84 a pound. BP continues to struggle in stopping its well leak and the cleanup of the Gulf of Mexico. The energy giant reported at its annual statistical review in London that it is working with oil price between a range of $60 and $90 a barrel for planning investment. Meanwhile, BP reported that global consumption of oil fell by 1.2 million barrels a day in 2009, marking the second consecutive annual decline and the largest volume since 1982. In Russia, OAO Gazprom reported that 2011 gas production is seen rising to 528 billion cubic meters from 519 billion cubic meters this year. The company also said that it may adjust the planned capacity of its South Stream gas pipeline, which runs under the Black Sea to southern Europe, if demand is uncertain. In the mining sector, BHP Billiton and Rio Tinto are offering monthly iron ore prices to Chinese steelmakers only months after moving to a quarterly pricing arrangement from an annually based one, according to Metal Bulletin. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more on these headlines, you can find them all at MidnightTrader.com. You can also receive this daily commodities report every morning by subscribing to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend.